Good morning, good evening, and good night. So, I did this short, brief video just to show you guys that there's ways that you can save money on more than household items. So, I was unexpected. Lord, I got sick unexpectedly, and every time I need to run to CVS to get medicine, they usually give me a random CRT, which is why I don't throw away any medicine CRTs that I get. So I was able to use the CRT to get some more extra care books going in store. So follow along to see how this goes. Oh, Jesus. Okay, guys, so I am back at CVS in the allergy section. I've been cleared to take Claritin, but I'm not paying $20 for Claritin. Donnie, I'm not paying $20 for Claritin. So, came on the allergy aisle and allergy relief. If you spend $15, you get a $5 extra care book. So, I got this CRT. I'm an extra care pass holder, so CVS products get a 20% discount. So I have this, which is why I normally hold on to my medicine CRTs in case I need them, even though I might not use them. I always hold on to them. So I have a 4 out for 12 allergy, and that's gonna make it 11, and I have a $3 beauty book. I'm holding on to my 5, so I'm going to pay about $7, $7 to get the $5 extra care back. While I'm picking up my prescription, because I gotta pick up my prescription. So I'll follow up with y'all to see. Okay, so I am in the car. My receipt is focusing. My prescription. So my total came out to be $12.79 before taxes. They took $1.80 off. So technically $8 off. So I paid 12. How much does that ring up for? Okay. It took $8.80 off. It did ring up for $15.99, and I paid $13.74 plus tax. So with the $5, what's 13 from 5? 6, 7, 8, 8? I don't know. 7 from 13?
13 from 5. I think it is 8.
Yeah, okay. So I did get the $5 extra care book back. So essentially I paid. So I did all of this. I know, like, what is the point of this? So I did all of this to basically, let you guys know that you can, you don't have to go, even when it comes to like buying medicine and stuff like that you need for yourself. If you find yourself sick, CVS always prints like vitamin CRTs, Tylenol CRTs, children's CRTs. And if you stack that with any extra care books that you have or any digital, because there were like $4 Claritin, digital coupons on my app, but the app didn't, but the extra care book that it was giving back, I think if you buy one of the select Claritin, you only got $3, and that was just stupid, because most of the Claritin that I seen was $20, $45, and there was no way in hell that I was gonna pay $40 for some Claritin. Okay, I got the CVS brand, and we're gonna thug it out from there, right? So, I try to teach you guys ways to save money, like little tricks and hacks that you can save money, even when it comes to like buying medicine or when you get your prescription. If you get your prescriptions at CVS after your 10th, once you get 10 subscriptions, they give you a $5, I think it's a $5. So sign up for their prescription reward points, and also sign up for their beauty. So if you spend $30, if you shop there regularly, if you spend $30, then you get, they know it's going to be Christmas time too. You spend $30 and you get the $3 extra care book. So if you're following along my channel, we just look at ways where you can save. All right, so I'm going to be getting out of here. It's already getting dark. You guys have a good night. Bye.